exactly jankushon, and let's go from scenic cabin there. There's scenic cabin right there. Look at the scenic cabin is going to play at the airport. There goes. The scenic cabin is a very nice view. So there it is. The scenic cabin right there. Alright, let's get from the airplane scenic airplane gates at jankushon station. See guys, at the Las Vegas Just Bus International Airport. So look, I can visit today's the ASAS for another series. Alright guys, get from the scenic airplane right there, and there goes. Alright, for another plane coming here. Alright, there's my scenic cabin right there. This one's has my scenic cabin. This is a very nice place. First, you have the scenic cabin right there. Where's the plane? Where's the planes? Let's get on the clouds. There it goes. Let's see, scenic cabin right there. Alright, then go for scenic cabin right there. Alright, let's forget my planes. I get the plane coming. Whatever it is. Alright, so if we get here on this one. Oh, let's fade away. The plane come. Alright, let's wait for the plane. That will be it. Alright, here comes the plane. There's the plane coming. There it is. It's right there. Air Force simulation. This is the last one. For the plane coming up there. Alright. When I say it's gonna stop. These things. Crazy this, so where is it the plane come? See? There you can see it like this. This one? No, it's like this. Wait. Fade away already, so enjoy it, and that'll be it for now. And long I say that, so that'll be it.